Dad's over there.
I should have brought my jacket. Daddy,
Yeah.
can you go check out that one?
Huh?
Can you go check out that one?
Yeah, let me go see Tony real fast. Yeah. What do you need?
Huh?
What do you need?
No, Dad, can you go check out the one of the
Oh, okay. Tony!
Did you bring cards?
My shirt.
Sweet. Huh?
It's a mobile card.
It's a what?
It's a mobile card.
Hey, what's up, bud?
Hey.
Are you vlogging?
No.
Yeah, so I'm beating my tire.
Sebastian from Auto Detailing.
Yeah, I see the shirt. I own the detail company too.
I thought you looked familiar. Who you with?
My own company.
What
I own
company?
Valor Company for Valor Custom Detailing. I just opened up.
Oh, okay. I'm good. I'm actually his detailer. Yeah. Yeah.
The 77 Monte Carlo last year. I see ceramic road.
Yeah.
And I use a company called Flash.
Oh, Flash Hill, huh? Yeah, I know Myron.
Good guy.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried out the Flight Shield. It didn't work, and then he stopped returning my calls. Yeah, he wouldn't return my money.
Who's that?
Myron?
Oh, Myron?
Yeah, we were friends too on Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I was the first front pro installer in Washington State. One of the very few first in the U.S. when it came out.
What was it called?
Flight Shield.
What is that?
So ceramic coating. Yeah, I didn't like when I opened the bottle. It
So
almost
how's that work? How's that work?
exploded out.
Keep going on YouTube.
I noticed when you took the video, when I looked at that video when I was doing the wrap, it was just like all over the place. Is that on purpose? No?
Yeah, I want to get one of those called Smooth. It has
Like
like
it has like a pipping arm to it?
yeah.
Promotion. So
Yeah,
where
still,
it- yeah. I don't know what I do usually when I'm like taking like with nothing. I usually try to put one leg down on the cement so it stabilizes nice and straight. Yeah. Did you walk around yet?
No, just got here.
Why do you close my doors when we can walk around together? Let me finish this one letter.
Yeah, what are your prices, man?
It ranges. Now this is just a blowout right now, so
Okay.
185 for the interior and exterior, 250 is 13 trucks. Prices kind of depend on.
Yeah.
Are you local around this area?
Yeah, I'm down Spanaway here.
Okay.
Yeah. At least your prices are, decently, decently priced.
It's hard to find detail guys that are good at the job.
That is true.
I've been detailing for over 20 years. I just retired from service. Got medical discharge. Actually, focus on what I like to do. Just stay in the car industry.
I hear you. Yeah, this was had Swiss wax put on this. It's a nice simple.
This has the Swiss wax.
Yeah. Yeah,
Hey, so do
it hasn't got coated yet. What's that?
Do you have customers that you've done detailing for here?
Oh, yeah. Like, here's a video I just had my videographer do for I just did a Dodge Ram 1500. did the ceramic coating on it in that video. I'll just do this.
I just want to go look at a car that you did.
So this is a truck that had
So what made you leave CP?
they actually screwed with my distributor. So
Which one, Ryan or who?
it's actually Lee and Natalie up in Seattle.
Yeah.
So I called them up and I told them, I was like, this gentleman hits me up because, I mean, that's what I've done, you know, and I've been dealing with them, and a lot of people know me, you know, for dealing with coatings. And so this guy hunted me out because I was persistent with the drugs, and he wanted the gold package. I was like, okay, cool.
Yeah, so you wanted a gold package?
He wanted the gold package, so I called him up and he's like, well, I don't have enough product because he now wants us to buy a gold. I was like, okay, but that's what's doing it for me. Yeah. He's like, okay, well, let me round up and see what I got. I think I might have something. So you gotta let me know like by tomorrow. The guy's not done. So then he calls me up. He says, well, I don't have full bottles for you. So what I'll do is I can empty them into one. You're messing with my integrity. And he was like, well, no, sorry, you gotta go. I was gonna go with Light Show originally, but when I first started off, still in the military, dealing with all that, so I didn't have $1,500 to fly down to go get certified. So then it's cheaper for me to just go to Seattle, get certified to do Seattle sets. So I used to do that, and I've been running with them. I don't have time for everybody's BS, so if they messed up.
Swear Pro is nothing about. Swear Pro is nothing about money. They don't care about their installers whatsoever. And
Here's the truck that I just got up with.
oh, what's the guy's name?
Kurt Scow.
Really? I have
Yep.
to give that fucker a call because he was supposed to get it done by me. Yep.
And then I had my videographer do this one.
Yeah, what did that guy tell me? He says, yeah, I had a family issue, had a family member die, just can't do it right now.
Oh, I'm not.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, this is all good with you. Yeah.
Here's the video.
The funny thing about it is he was actually referred to me by a detailing, a tinting buddy in Bremerton. Yeah.
He was actually looking for Ceramic Pro, the product. Because he's behind a Nia. Because he's part of a Mopar group.
Yeah.
And I did a 3-year sealant on a Dodge Dart. And he's actually been doing some research and specifically wanted Ceramic Pro. So that's why he got me. Because then,
When did this get done?
it just got done about a week ago.
Oh really? Oh okay. Yeah, good old Kurt. Good for you, man.
So, but yeah, so that's. So I switched from CP, and because he's the one that wanted it. He specifically said, "This is what I want." So I told him, I was like, "Okay, well, this is." I told him the story, and he was like, "All right, well, sure, go for it."
What'd you charge him for that?
What's that? I gave him a discount. Big bang. Because he's the first one. So he got it. It's just between him and I, he probably just paid for products.
Yeah, dude, I'm not mad at you, dude. It's all good. It's all
There's too
good.
many cars.
There's enough cars for everyone.
So are you a vlogger, dude?
Yeah, he wants to learn how to vlog, and
Okay.
yeah, he loves watching vlogging videos. And he's kind of shy.
My boy's 15 and he's all into that whole vlogging scene.
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna walk around, man. When you see Myron, tell him I said hello.
Okay.
Sebastian.
I don't
go
really
walk
deal
around.
with Byron. I deal with the big guys.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Dave and
Dave.
Bender.
Yeah, Dave Benderman or whatever.
Yep.
Yeah.
What was your name again?
Sebastian.
Sebastian.
Yes, they know me.
Well, it was a pleasure meeting you.
All
dude.
right.
We'll see you
Have a
around.
good one.
You
Okay.
too, brother.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can we go get my sweater?
Oh, that guy knew that guy that's like,
Yeah, that guy with the green ram was supposed to bring it to me, and then said, "Oh, my grandfather East Coast passed away. I'm just not gonna be able to do it right now." Okay, gotcha, buddy. Alrighty. Remember, don't touch. So stay away from the car, okay? You can vlog away, but don't be so close so that doesn't fall out. Okay?
thanks for coming.
Yeah. You know me and cars. I make them pretty. Oh,
Daddy. Dad.
too bad he's not here.
So how was this pricing? I got a coupon in my back pocket.
Yeah, I know, I saw it. Yeah.
Daddy. Dad.
Look at this old Army Jeep. Yeah, it's an old Willie.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, shit, look.
Yeah. It's cool too, a little rat rod. Can all dude.
It'd be cool to put down a speaker.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Can we go get my...
Yeah, you want your jacket?
Yeah.
Let's go get your jacket. Is your jacket in the car?
Yeah.
Oh.
Not the one that I bought. Not the one that I bought at Tudor.
Let's watch out for cars.
Yeah,
Let's go across. This way, Ken. This way.
The guy cars, Daddy, what? The guy car, like, it's on, roadkill, Daddy. For the episode, that car.
Yeah.
That car in a Lamborghini. Now look, I just done it. See, look. I made
Yeah.
4
Where's your jacket?
in the back.
In the back.
Put them on. No, the back.
Huh?
Put them on.
Oh.
You know that? I'm just putting my sweater on there. Hey, aim it at the cars.
What's up? Just a little car meet here, little hot rod in Spanaway car meet. Here you go, Tanner.
Why don't you have your hood up?
Because my girl's over there. I'm not part of the show.
How do you be part of it?
Huh?
How do you be part
I
of
don't know. This is hot rods. I have a sock.
Like hot rod only?
Yeah. Hot rodder and American classics.
There's a lot more cars here. You got the tail end of it. On a good day, you get like 50 or 60 cars here.
Oh yeah, I'm still going to do that.
I have to figure out what his price is.
Oh, this price is stupid cheap. He basically did Kurt's truck for free.
Really?
Yeah, I was supposed to do his truck for like $2,500. But then he canceled out like a few days beforehand. But the thing about it, he was referred to me by a tinting buddy in Bremerton. That's how he called Oh.
Or you going to the bank?
Yeah. Those $20 bills. Oh man.
I was trying to paint all the tires before it got dark.
Yeah, that coating that he uses, White Shield, it sucks. It really does. It never even. It was super hard to apply, super hard, and it didn't even need water. I was so pissed off. Called up Myron. He wouldn't return my calls. I sent some video of it. He was on Facebook too.
Really?
He stuck all the time. Stopped for the calls. Wouldn't answer my chat.
Wow.
Yeah. Right. No professional detail. No real professional detail.
Really?
I can't. No reviews of it. Other than like little mini videos. It's just not. It's just not a. It's not a highline professional coating that's world renowned. Yeah. Oh yeah. Kurt, I will definitely know. Because this shit will fail. Scoring Pro fail. They've been having a lot of issues with Scoring Pro. That's why I left. They don't feel all that bad.
I definitely would come here around 3:30, 4 o'clock on Wednesday.
Okay, that's good to know. I didn't know that.
It starts getting nice through the summertime every Wednesday. And there's actually every month, I think, on the last Saturday of the month, I think, is a car meeting.
Well, you about ready? Time to go home.
Going home now?
Yeah, I gotta get him ready for bed.
Babe, are you going back to school now?
Yeah, he went to school today. Had a good day.
Yeah? Did you meet a lot of girls who are like, you're a rebel, you got kicked out of school?
I won't be needing these.
Got to turn the kicking out of school into a little bit of a positive.
Yeah. Like, oh, I won't be needing these.
I'm a rebel. Thanks, man.
All right, man.
Let me
I'll
know,
talk to you later.
when you're at the shop tomorrow and
Okay.
go from there.
Sounds good. I'll talk to you later.
All right.
Yeah.
Are we on?
Huh?
That long.
What?
Then we get home, we go to bed.
Oh.
Remember?
Oh.
Do you?
I don't know. Remind me.
Then we're gonna uniform and
Oh.
white with me.
What's up?
Hey.
Well, CTSB.
Mhm. Oh, Daddy,
What?
I'd rather have a camera instead of this.
What's that?
Oh, that! Whoa.
Your call.
I'd rather have a camera instead of this.
Oh, really?
But better than nothing.
Yeah. All right. Turn it off.
Bye. And like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell. You never miss a video. Bye.